Guys, welcome back. Just enjoy these battles till we get to Blizzard City. Alright guys, we arrived in Blizzard City and I just got a glalie. Here's Ivory, he says Zeph. Yeah, it's Ivory. I've successfully set up a barrier around Route 9 from Blizzard City. Roger that, I'll head back down right away. And just in case Ben is following me, so yeah, he set like a barrier to trap Ben, I guess, the rival. But really, guys, I'm looking for an actual Pokemon Center in Blizzard City. I need to heal up my Pokemon, so, well, we can grab, oh wait, we can swing around and maybe grab this item. If we go like this, so let's grab it. It's, yeah, revive, so there we go. And it looks like the gym is right here. This must be the third gym. Let's talk to this guy. He says, oh, we can fly back to Crater Town. I see. But I'm guessing the third gym might be an Ice-type gym. Don't quote me on that, but, yeah, I'm just looking for the Pokemon Center. Excuse me, though. And here's the Pokemarts. So the Pokemon Center, maybe we have to do this puzzle right here. Wait. Yeah, that highway must be the barrier that he set up. But where is this freaking Pokemon Center? Let's go ahead and walk around the other side. It must be around here somewhere. And yeah, I'd recommend going into the houses, guys, and talking to a bunch of, you know, Pokemon trainers and, like, I guess members of, like, Pokemon. But I'm trying to find where the freaking Pokemon Center is. There might not be a Pokemon Center in actually Blizzard City. But let's see. It's not this way. This is out of Blizzard City. Oh my gosh, is there even a Pokemon Center in Blizzard City? There might not be, guys, so we might have to end up going back and healing a different way. Because I do not know where the freaking Pokemon Center is, unless it's up here. This is actually the, okay, no, this is the gym leader. Yeah, she's the Ice-type gym leader. So honestly, is that the Pokemon Center down here, right here? This might very well be the Pokemon Center. And yeah, this is going to be the Pokemon Center. So here we go, guys. I'm just going to end the video right now. I'm going to show you my team real quick, though, just to show off some of my members. But I'm going to go ahead and save in-game as well. Yeah, here we go. We're going to save in-game. It took me, it's almost been 5 hours in game time, but we finally made it to the third gym, the third gym. And here's a look at my team. We have Toucannon, normal flying, hardy nature, 95 attack, that's looking pretty good. Not bad defenses, at least at level 33. And we have Hirayama. He has the naughty nature with the black belt to boost fighting type moves. 104 attack, and my two cannon has 95. Here's my Spheal. He evolves in 2 levels to to an actual Celio, and then he has a final form to a Walrein. He's got Ice Body that's gonna slightly recover hail damage. Let's look at my moves too, just to show them off. Pluck, Beak Blast, Screech, Rock Smash on two cannon. Knock off Smelling Salt, Force Palm, Fake Out, Hariyama. There's a look at Spheal. And then, here's my actual Glalie. He's kind of balanced overall. He prevents flinching. I got a naughty nature on him. And that's actually, naughty nature is minus special defense, so that's outstanding that it's not going to lower special attack. Here's a look at his moves. He's got Freeze Dry, he's got Ice Fang right now, and Bite, and Double Team, and then of course my actual Puppetar, Rock Ground type. Really good stats. Well, he's going to have amazing stats when he's a Tyranitar. Iron Defense, Rock Slide, Bulldoze, Bites. And here's my Servine, Leaf Seed, Leaf Tornado, Cut, and Growth. But actually, guys, remember that we have that Lit Leo in the PC. I very well might grab him out of there just to take on the actual Ice-type gym. But anyway, guys, stay tuned. Love you guys. Leave a comment on your favorite Pokemon so far in Pokemon Unbound. So, stay tuned.